Hey y'all, I am just finishing up a workout and I'm getting ready to go through the items I have. I'm going to start trying to create somewhat of a packing list. As you guys know, I mentioned I will be taking a little R&R soon, and I just like to make sure I have everything packed before a road trip. So I'm gonna create a little packing list. I think I'm gonna actually take it old school, write everything out, and then check it off as I get it packed. Because yeah, and I also kind of want to just go through my outfits, because have you ever gotten on a trip and you just have a whole bunch of pieces but you don't really see how any of them are getting ready to work together? That's what I don't want to happen, which I feel like happens if you don't have a little forethought into your packing. So let me show you guys the stack of items we're working with here. So this is my little starter pile. I actually have a blog post on several of these items because they are great if you are going anywhere warm or going to be near a pool. Some good swimsuits and just cool dresses for the summer. So I'll be sure to put that in the description of this video. But anyway, this is kind of where we're starting at. I'm going to pull out my suitcase. It's been a minute. It's been literally a whole year and some change since I've even touched my suitcase. So let's start. Okay, y'all, as you can see, it's been a crazy busy week, so I did not pick up a ton to vlog. But before I end this video, I do want to share this recipe that I am loving for my salads. So this is how I kind of have been eating all week. It's been crazy hot and it's just been the perfect week for salads. So I figured I would at least share a little more footage with y'all of what my week entailed, which included making lots of these kale salads. And let me just show you all how I take the kale base and make it super flavorful. So first things first, you want to start off with your kale. Make sure to remove any hard stems. And then I like to add a little bit of minced garlic in. I also like to add a little bit of olive oil. I use a little bit of olive oil that's infused with truffles, but you don't have to do that. And I'm also going to add a couple of squeezes of lemon juice and then massage everything together really well. Absolutely been obsessed with this salad base. It's so good. Now you want to season your greens as well. So I'm going to use some fresh black pepper. Just grind that fresh. These aren't really expensive at all. And you're also going to want to use some really good salt. I buy a kosher salt from the grocery store that's not too expensive either. It just makes the difference since we're not cooking the greens. We're not cooking any of these ingredients. So you want to make sure all the ingredients you're using are really fresh and good quality. So I'm using some fresh lemon juice. Squeeze that over. Don't get the bottle kind, just get a lemon. Trust me on this one, because the bottle kind can sometimes have a little bit of an aftertaste, and the fresh lemon is going to really make a difference. It's almost like the salad will be seasoned and super flavorful. You'll even use less dressing because the actual greens will taste good. And I know that sometimes it can be hard to eat healthy because it doesn't taste flavorful, but what I love is that that's not the case thanks to seasoning the kale this way. And then the really important step once you add all these ingredients to your salad base is that you want to work them in. So literally massage the greens until everything is coated with a little salt, a little pepper, a little oil, a little lemon juice. It makes all the difference. Of course, make sure your hands are clean and then make sure to work this in really well. I'm going to show y'all in real time here that it does not take much time at all. I'm not speeding up this footage just because I wanted to show you guys how quickly it is to make really good healthy meals. That's kind of what I've been focusing on, is in my weekdays really trying to be mindful of what I'm putting into my body, not just what I'm taking in through reading, listening, and viewing, but also what I'm feeding my body. I've also been, as you guys know, if you follow me on Instagram, working out, so fueling myself properly with healthy foods is really important, and it doesn't have to taste nasty and it doesn't have to be expensive. So alright y'all, thanks for watching, and I hope you tried this salad recipe, and I'll try to make sure I have more footage in the next vlog. Oh, and there will be a tutorial on those braids. Bye.